Clear the bench off.
No particular reason.
Get the stuff away from the walls.
No particular reason.
Starting to depopulate the walls.
No particular reason.
Just kind of not tearing my motorcycles apart yet. Consolidating welding stuff with welding stuff. Exhaust and fab tools with exhaust and fab tools. Batteries with batteries.
No particular reason for any of that. So anyway, yeah, subscribe if you wanna. I'll be back out here tomorrow, clean some more for no particular reason.